So guys, I have come to the location. As you can see behind me, this is Aero Restro Entertainment. Hello everyone, welcome to my blog channel. Well guys, you must have heard about such a restaurant which is in aeroplane, and I have already made a video related to this. That time I went to Delhi, Rithala. There was Runway 1 aeroplane restaurant. But today guys, I am going to an aeroplane restaurant which is in Noida sector 38 near Garden Galleria Mall. So the name of this restaurant is Aero Restro. I thought that I must go there since I have already taken an experience of having food in an aeroplane restaurant which is in Delhi. However, I thought if it is near my house, why shouldn't I go? So today I am going there. I have boarded an Ola cab which is heading me towards that location. Reaching there, I will talk to you and I'll show you everything, and I'll let you know if you want to visit, what are the procedures. So stay connected guys. Thank you. So guys, I have come to the location. As you can see behind me, this is Aero Restro Entertainment. Okay, it's really very nice place. I'm not able to see because of sun, so I'm just going to show you the entire procedure, how to enjoy the meal in the aeroplane restaurant guys. So when you come here, after coming, you just have to go to this counter which is called boarding pass counter. I can show you through the back camera. So you have to go to this counter. This is boarding pass counter, and it looks like that when you come here. As you can see, this is Aero Restro Entertainment, and see here so many people are standing here. क्या नाम है आपका?
Sir, Mr. Akash Chaudhary.
So Mr. Akash Chaudhary, he works here. As you can see the badge, it is written Aero Restro. So Akash ji is here, and your name?
Avinash.
So Avinash is here, and Raghuraj. So these are the people, they work here and they will give you the service, and you can see the ambience looks quite good. I mean, at the gate you can see it attracts you a lot. And if you talk about the counter, first you have to go to this boarding pass counter guys, and from here you have to take your boarding pass. When you come here, a boarding pass will be given to you, and the price of that boarding pass will be 250 rupees. You have to pay 250 rupees. 100 rupees is the entry fee, and 150 rupees will be deducted from the food whatever you eat. After that you have to enter this. So I can show you the ambience right here. तो ये कब ये चालू हुआ था, कुछ आइडिया है?
सर ये हुआ था 29 अक्टूबर।
अच्छा 29 अक्टूबर, ये 2021 की बात है?
जी जी।
अच्छा
2 मंथ हो गए सर आज।
2 महीने हो गए
जी।
क्योंकि ऐसा ही एक दिल्ली में है, एक रनवे 1 करके रिठाला के पास है।
वो इन्हीं का है।
ओके, तो ये इतना बड़ा एरोप्लेन आया कैसे इधर?
सर इसके पार्ट आए थे,
अच्छा,
यहाँ
अच्छा।
मॉडिफाई किया गया है।
ओके fine. So guys, I can show you this aeroplane. Look at here guys. So when you enter here, as he's saying that in October 2021 it was inaugurated. So you can see this aeroplane, and when I asked him how this aeroplane was shifted here, he said that it was assembled here. So many parts were brought here and it was assembled. Fine. और इधर ये हाथी वाथी लगाया गया है?
जी जी सर, ये हाथी लगाए गए।
अरे वाह। तो यहाँ पर बाकी जैसे इस एरोप्लेन के अलावा जो एरिया दिख रहा है वो लॉन्च वगैरह है, तो वहाँ क्या होता है?
हमारा सर बार है ड्रिंक्स के लिए।
अच्छा, ड्रिंक्स के लिए बार भी है?
जी।
जैसे कोई एरोप्लेन में खाना खाता है और वो चाहे तो वहाँ ड्रिंक भी ले सकता है?
सर
ओके।
बैक साइड में डांसिंग के लिए है।
डांस, अगर कोई मान लो कोई बर्थडे के लिए बुक करना चाहे तो हो सकता है?
बिल्कुल सर।
वेरी गुड, ठीक है। तो हाथी वाथी दिखाओ भाई जरा। So Raghuraj is going to show me. So guys, I can show you these elephants. So when you enter, you can see, so my God, such a beautiful elephant. तो रघुराज कब से काम कर रहे हो?
हम अभी 5-6 दिन हुए।
5-6 दिन हुआ है? अरे बड़ा नया लड़का आया है। Okay, so guys, when you come here, you can see these elephants. Wow, look at this. Such a beautiful guys. Lovely place. You can have a great fun. See guys. My God. So to attract the people, these elephants are here. I mean, fake elephants, statue of the elephants. And this is the whole area, everyone. You can see this aeroplane. Lovely.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got
आपका कमल, आप भी यहाँ काम करते हैं? वेरी गुड. कब से काम कर रहे हैं?
हो गया 17-18 साल.
17-18 साल. अच्छा.
1.5 साल हो गए.
अच्छा, ये तो खैर नया नया ही खुला है.
हाँ, ये तो नया पूरा बनाया, जहाज पूरी बनाई, इसको खड़ा करा,
अच्छा.
पेड़ पौधा पूरे बनाए, फैस पूरा डाला, तैयार करके चालू कर.
वाह वाह वाह, बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए, बहुत अच्छा. तो गाइज, एज यू कैन सी द एम्बियंस, इट इज लुकिंग फैबुलस. और यहाँ भी लोग खा सकते हैं क्या इस जगह पे? ओके, बाहर. सो यू कैन सी गाइज, if you don't want to eat in the aeroplane restaurant, I mean in the aeroplane, you can sit over here. Look at it's fantastic. And if you have some kids, your kids can play. इसका अलग से देना पड़ता होगा ना चार्ज? Okay, so your kids can play. तो आप इसको देखते हैं? अच्छा, आप सारे आप लोग हो. 100 रुपीज़ इसका चार्ज है अलग से. Okay, so guys, if you come with your kids and if your kids want to play, so you have to pay 100 rupees and you can enjoy this also. And this place is for birthday, for dancing. So if you want to book it, you can book it for dancing. इसका चार्ज पता है अगर कोई बुक करना चाहे? अच्छा, ये ऐसे ही. Okay, so you can dance here. It means if you have come with so many people, I'm saying that if you come with so many people, so you can enter here, enjoy and dance. You can see the music system, the powerful boxes are here, and you have to enter from here, guys. I can show you this area. Here also you can see some elephants. Look at the elephants. Here the baby elephant. Hello baby elephant. And this is the entrance. You can enter from here. See guys, this is the entrance. Okay, so you have to go like this. See, and this is quite colorful entrance, so you have to go from here, guys.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me.
So guys, finally I have taken my seat, as I have already shown you this entire area. So this is the Airbus, and the sitting arrangement is really very fantastic. So I would say this place is good if you come with your family members, or if you want to come with your friend, maybe your girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever you want to come with. This is the fabulous place you can come. And as far as the information about boarding pass is concerned, I would like to tell you guys, look at here. So as you can see this boarding pass, so here it is written 250 rupees. So you have to pay 250 rupees, then you will be given this boarding pass. 100 rupees is the entry fee. Now the remaining 150 rupees will be deducted from whatever you eat. If you talk about the menu, I can show you the menu here. So this is the food menu, everyone. As you can see here, Aero Restaurant Entertainment food menu. So here, so soups items are also available. If you talk about soup like sweet corn soup, veg, this is 195 rupees. So I'm not going for any soup item. If I talk about salad item, so for salads, like you can see here, the minimum price is 325 rupees for salad. This type of salad will be served to you. I'm not going for salad either. Now if you talk about vegetarian starters, so for that, this is chutney paneer tikka is 325 rupees. So the minimum price is 325 rupees. So there are so many items you can order. If you go for Indian non-vegetarian starters, if you go for fish ajwain tikka, minimum is 445 rupees. So there are so many options out here, fish amritsari and all. So first of all, let me go through this menu, then I will let you know what I'm going to order. The thing is that I have already had heavy breakfast, so I'm not going to eat a lot. So I would like to order something light, but the minimum price is 325 rupees and only 150 can be deducted from this. So remaining money is required to be paid. Fine. So first of all, okay, let's enjoy this environment. Let me tell you about, see, if I talk about this window, so this is the window seat, everyone. So look at the window and look at outside. I can show you. Here we go. See, so through this window you can see the outside environment. Look at here, the beautiful elephant, mammoth is there, and yeah, I'll just let me go through, then I'll place the order. Okay, so fine. And if you talk about crowd, so you can see that very few people are here because right now it is around 12:30 or maybe like near about 1 o'clock. I've come here in the afternoon. It opens at 12 o'clock. So this time you cannot see so much crowd. Only few people are available here. You can see all the seats. Fine guys, so I am going to go through this menu, then I will let you know what I am going to order. Stay connected guys. Thank you. So guys, as a matter of fact, all the fine guys, so I have decided what to take. Actually I have decided to go for grilled fish with, so I am going to go for this grilled fish. You can see the price, 475 rupees. Since I am on high protein diet, so I would like to go for that. So let me ask whether this is available or not. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Is it available, this one? Grilled
Yes,
fish?
sir.
Okay, so I would like to go for this one.
Grilled fish?
Yeah, only this. This one.
Grilled fish cilantro.
Yeah, cilantro.
Okay, sir. Drinks?
Drink, how much for drink? That is not mentioned here.
I'll show you.
Okay. Earlier, the welcome drink was quite free with this. This time it is
Sir,
not
वो
free.
offer था वो
So, drink, like, what should I?
shakes. Yes.
No, I will not go for any drink.
Okay.
Just,
Thank you, sir.
I would like to place only this order. And see, like 150 will be deducted from this?
150. Yes, sir.
Fair enough. I'm waiting for this.
Thank you, sir.
Fine guys, actually the thing is that I was talking to her and she asked me to go for any drink, and I don't want to go for extra calorie. However, I can show you what are the things in drink. I can show you through the back camera. See, as far as drinks are concerned, you can see what is written here: vodka. Okay, and this, and you can read it out and look at the price: 259 and 399. This for vodka, and also this is the drink. I thought there would be any Pepsi or Coca-Cola, but that is not available. You can see what is written over here. Wine is also here. So those people who like to go for wine, something they can go. What is the mocktails are there, shakes are there, you know, virgin, mojito, 199. So I don't want to go for this. If you talk about coffee and tea, so coffee is also there. Cappuccino. So if you want to take cappuccino, you have to pay 199 rupees. It means 200 rupees for cappuccino. But I'm not going to go for anything, just that grilled fish. So this is for drink and liquor, shots. You can see liquor is also available. 409. I don't have any information about this. Yeah, I have heard the name vodka, but the rest of the things I don't know, guys. Anyways, so whoever is interested can go for drinks as well, but I'm going for only fish, guys. So let us serve. After that I'll talk to you guys, and after that I would like to go to that cockpit also, where pilot sits and flies. I would like to see that also. Like when I went to Delhi, that runway 1, there I explored everything. I went to that cockpit also, and there was some virtual game type of thing, so I have enjoyed that as well. But here I don't know about this one. Once I enter, I'll let you know, guys. So stay connected. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, my food is right here on the table. So whatever, see what I have ordered is, I had no idea that I'm going to get this kind of food, since the name is grilled fish with cilantro and something. So this is, guys, in front of you, you can see grilled fish cilantro, 475 rupees. The price of this dish is. So I'm going to start this. Fine, guys. So as you can see, I'm going to just try this. Let's see what the taste is. So, along with this, you can see one plate has been given. So let's get started. Knife I never use, and I'm not going to use right now. I will just use this fork and start eating. Super. I don't know what fish this is, but it is amazing. Good taste. It is a kind of sea fish, I think. Okay. I'm non-vegetarian, so don't mind. Okay. One who is vegetarian can mind that what is he eating, but this is the choice of everyone. I'm non-vegetarian. I eat fish. I eat chicken. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to enjoy this food. After that, I'll get back to you guys. Thank you. So, guys, I've had my food. As you can see, I have totally finished it. And one more information I would like to give you. If you come here, and can you see on your table, you can see some glasses are kept, and there is a water bottle here. So if you feel thirsty and if you use this water, you have to pay for it. This is not free of cost. As you can see, it is totally sealed. So I thought I must share this information with you. So if you come here, don't try to drink this water. If you have to pay, you can definitely drink. First I thought that I can use this water, but suddenly an idea sprang to my mind. I thought I must ask the waiter, and when I asked that can I drink this water, he said that you have to pay for it. I did not ask the price of the bottle, but I already know the price must be more than 150 or maybe 200 rupees. It happens. So I'm not going to drink this because I have already come along with my water bottle. So I will drink from that. So now I'm going to pay the bill, and after that I'll take you to the cockpit where pilot sits and controls the aeroplane, and then we will go back to our home. Stay connected. Thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Sir, boarding pass दे दीजिए.
Yeah, this is the boarding pass.
Thank you, sir.
So guys, I'm going to show you my bill out here. So see, 475, and then some service taxes are there. I mean GST and all. So this is 524, out of which 150 has been deducted. So I have to pay 374. I have to pay 374.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to pay 374, guys. Hi guys, so after paying the bill, I have come to this cabin which is called cockpit, and here pilot sits and controls the aeroplane. I'm going to show you. See, look at here, guys. So can you imagine? My god, isn't it quite tough to control this? Okay, look at how many switches, buttons, levers are here. Let me sit at this pilot seat, then I will talk to you guys. Wait a minute. I'm going to put my bag over here, and fine guys, so this is the headphone. I'm going to wear this headphone. Okay, is it like I'm a pilot, and this is the lever. Can you see this lever, or I don't know, handle? What can I call it? I don't know the name of it. You can see this. See. Wow, I'm flying the aeroplane. Amazing experience. But when I went to Delhi in runway 1, so there was virtual game. It really feels as if you are really flying. Okay, there is a guy. Fine guys, so as you can see here.
YouTube. एक मिनट मैं एक वीडियो.
So some people are still there. They are waiting for their turn. They would like to sit. Yeah. So anyone can enter this once you have food, or even if you have not had food, you just enter. If you want, you can come to this cockpit and see how pilots sit here, how they fly the plane. It's really fantastic. And if from here I can show you the view outside. See. Sitting in this cabin, you can see outside. See guys, superb. Fine guys. So now I am going out of here. So guys, I really had a great fun in that aeroplane restaurant. I have already described everything. If you want to visit here, the nearest metro station is Sector 18, Noida Sector 18 metro station. You have to reach there. Then you can ask anyone about Garden Galleria, Aero Restaurant, or you can say Aeroplane Restaurant. People will understand. You can come here, and then you know everything. You just need to pay 250 rupees to enter, and after that, whatever the food you eat, you will have to pay for that, guys. And if you want, you can pay tip also. I have given 50 rupees tip, because if you go to good level, high level restaurant, you must give some tip, guys. So this is also, thank you very much. You can see Garden Galleria is just in front of me. I can show you from here Garden Galleria, guys. Garden Galleria shopping mall. So one day I will come here also. see, if you come to this place, you can enjoy and visit so many restaurants, and there are so many things which can attract you. You can have a great fun with your family. So wait a minute, I can show you from here Garden Galleria, and here we go. Can you see this? See how beautiful it is, Garden Galleria. So one day I will come here too, guys, and from here you can see this aeroplane, this Aero restaurant. From here also you can take a look. See, guys, and look at the whole area, how beautiful it is to visit, to have fun. You can come here. Fine, guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected and see you in another episode, guys. Till then, take care, have fun. Thank you, and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed. Press the bell icon and hit the like button. I have to say again and again, because I really want a lot of subscribers on this platform so that you can learn situational English, as well as you can visit here and there with me, guys. So thank you very much. Bye bye, take care everyone. Bye bye.